If you want a darker and more unique look to the rear end lighting on your 2020 or newer JT Gladiator, these Raxium Axial Series LED taillights with a black housing and smoke lens are a great choice to consider. Now this set of lights is great for the JT owner who wants a big and bold style change, swapping the very traditional and plain factory halogen taillights for ones that will make some heads turn with the sharp and sleek look that they offer. These are also a great option if you've damaged your taillights and rather than getting a replacement, you'd rather put that money towards an upgrade in the performance and making a statement for your build. Now I do want to note as well that these will only work with JTs that come with the halogen taillights without blind spot detection out of the factory, so just make sure you're getting the right ones for your build. As you can see from these lights sitting on the table, these have a very dark and more sinister appearance to them, which is great for matching other darker smoked lighting that you have on your JT or that you plan on adding, especially if you want to make your JT's color code really pop. Now that smoke lens here also doesn't take away from those high intensity LEDs inside, showing off a more unique running light bar, kind of in the shape of an S, illuminating with the parking lights. Now the rest of the lighting stands out as well, with the large upper center section of the lights being a cluster of bright LEDs for the brake light and the turn signal, and the lower center section of the running light will illuminate white when putting the JT in reverse. Now those LEDs and the design are much brighter for the drivers behind you, grabbing their attention quicker, and these will offer a big improvement over the halogen bulb, which will help increase your visibility while you're backing up at night. Now these are built to good standards with a polycarbonate smoke lens on the front, which will resist any impacts for on and off-road driving depending on what you're doing, and it has a black ABS plastic housing, which is also resilient and molded for a factory style fit. The LEDs are also a major improvement when it comes to the construction, with the high intensity output, the efficient energy consumption, and long lifespan they have, so you're not gonna have to maintenance these or worry about an out bulb. Now the kit is also completely plug and play for a hassle-free install, and they do come with a resistor to eliminate any hyperflash or any other weird symptoms when upgrading from a halogen to an LED. Now this set is about $275, which is pretty average for a set of full LED taillights. Now these, however, stand out in the category considering the more unique and distinctive design that this set brings to the table. Now a lot of other choices have a smoked look, but they do usually keep that traditional C-shaped light bar or illuminated border, as to where this takes a little bit of a different approach when it comes to the design, while also maintaining all of those high function features that you would want out of an upgraded set of taillights, making them a great choice for your JT. As I said, the install is very simple. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you at most an hour to get the job done. It's completely plug and play. It only consists of a couple of bolts. But at this point, I'm going to pass you over to one of our installers so they can show you step by step how to do it yourself with some very basic hand tools. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
For this install, you will need a ratchet and an 8mm socket. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some taillights on our Gladiator, so let's get started. Alright, so to get started in removing our factory taillights, we have our tailgate down, and when you come to the inside of our tailgate area, you're going to have 2 8mm screws holding in your taillight. So we're going to grab our 8mm socket and remove those. And once you have those out, we can pull our taillight from its housing area. We do have some retainers on the back side that you need to pop out, just like that. And once we have this out, we can come to our factory connector. We're going to release that safety pin. So you want to just pull that back, press down on your tab, and unplug that. Once you have this side out, you can do the same thing for the other side. So now we can install our new taillight. So we're going to start by plugging that in. It has a factory style connector. So we're going to go right back into our body side connector. Make sure that snaps in. Then you want to close that safety latch. And we're going to line up our 2 rear locators. I have to tuck the taillight in a little bit. You want to give that a little push so it seats. And we're going to reuse our 8mm screws. Get those in place. Now this top one can be a little bit weird because you have to contend with the tailgate strap, but it will go in. Then we'll use our 8mm socket to tighten these right back down. Then once you have this side in, you can do the same thing for your other taillight. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Raxium Axial Series LED taillights with black housings and smoke lenses for your 20 to current Jeep Gladiator JT with factory halogen taillights and without blind spot detection. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Gladiator, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.